So we had the IBM RT.
You gotta speak a little louder.
IBM RT, which runs AIX 2.2.1. So it was running X Windows most of the time. So then basically as a demonstration, didn't have much interesting programs, but I had some stuff running. So then I have the IBM XT286, which has the professional graphics controller and was running AutoCAD 2.6.2, and then was making plots on the HP 7554. Some of the plots. There's more plots. Yeah, it's got probably the coolest. Let's see. That's a really cool one. It's got tons of detail. But, yeah, that's pretty much it.